straighten your teeth out instead of having to do like your brother, got them braces on like that.
I'm at the chiropractor getting adjusted.
You cold or something?
How old your son is now?
10.
Oh, say about 11, but 10.
Yep. Whoa, 10.
Dr. Grass said he cannot play football either.
Nope. Even though he likes football, boy. Yeah, watching him. We played Saturday. He had a doubleheader. He plays flag football.
Yeah.
You know, he's quarterbacking. You know, he just loves that stuff. He also likes safety. Plays safety too.
I saw Tony played center, corner, safety.
Fast enough for safety?
Man, they call him Spider-Man.
I ain't paying no damn.
What you played?
That's what Tony played.
Oh, Twan, that's what you played?
Yeah.
Tony, what you played?
I played cornerback, receiver. I played.
Tony was a...
I ain't like
Huh?
the line.
Oh, yeah, dude. I'm slow.
We slow.
I'm old and slow. I can't run no more.
I played offense, but I didn't like offense, so I played defense, and then I started getting faster a little bit.
Yeah.
Started
Yeah.
playing fullback.
Your
I used to be like,
your uncle.
What a goal
He's gonna
line.
be good. He's gonna be good for. He's gonna be in the NFL one day. Your uncle.
Eugene.
What's his?
Eugene.
Eugene.
Yeah.
That dude is big. He's
Boy, he be busting them out there, though.
he's a you know what? He's a sweet boy too, man. He comes in. He's pretty nice. You know, very respectful. You know. He'll be like, yes, sir.
I can see it. All I know is they usually come up and show.
Jit be busting.
So that dog's your dog?
Yeah,
That Frenchie?
no, it ain't my dog. It's everybody's dog.
Is that what it is, Crystal?
It's me and Tony's dog.
Oh, yours, huh? Gotcha. Almost done. Almost done. You figure out how to do that crate?
He got it together.
You got it together, Tony?
Yeah, they can see for
You
it.
got it, man.
She trying to get out of it.
You gotta get.
We're going to have to get Meadow. She too smart.
Is she?
Yes.
Yeah.
She real smart. She get out. Last night she was trying to find a way to open it. And then she peed in the thing. And my daughter's like, she's doing that to get out. And then she was running in circles. She kept turning in circles.
All right. Woo.
You guys need to get adjusted.
Yeah.
You need to see a chiropractor.
Yep.
Come to Dr. Greg. Come get your body bust up. No, you need to be bust down anyway. Stop playing.